Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs creamy. First, gather your ingredients: 3 large, fresh eggs, 1 tablespoon of milk or cream, and a small pat of butter. Crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk them gently until the yolks and whites are just combined. Prepare your non-stick pan and a heat-resistant rubber spatula for cooking. Now melt a small pat of butter in your non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Pour in the whisked eggs. The key to creamy eggs is gentle, continuous stirring. Use your rubber spatula to slowly push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. This process should take about 3 to 5 minutes. As the eggs begin to set but are still slightly wet, remove the pan from the heat. The residual heat will continue to cook them to perfection. Now is the time to season with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. You can also stir in another small pat of butter for extra richness and shine. Serve your perfectly creamy scrambled eggs immediately. For consistently creamy results, remember these final tips. Always use a non-stick pan to prevent sticking and ensure easy stirring. Never cook your eggs on high heat, as this will make them tough and dry. If you desire an even richer texture, try adding a half teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with 1 tablespoon of water to your eggs before whisking. Enjoy your delicious, creamy scrambled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.